Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana presents Carmel Cha-Cha. Song, Do What I Do. Artist, The E Family. Choreography, Carmel HUTCHISON. For cardio line dance classes in the New Orleans, Louisiana area, please call 504-251-0674. Giving a big shout out to Young at Heart in Indianapolis, Indiana.
Yeah! All right.
Thank you for your love and support.
Yes, yes, y'all feeling that? It's that new E Family joint, y'all. Drop that joint. Mixing that R&B with that cha-cha flavor. Yeah, here we go, y'all. Minding my own thing. Way out in the corner. Trying not to pay no mind. I'll be home for the last song. Here you come. Look in your eyes. And I knew what was on your mind. You wanted something, I'm about to get it right. Try to say no, but I can't no more. Get on the floor, do what I do. Oh, baby, just put my jam on. Let me get my dance on. Throw up my hand and do what I do. Oh, tell me what it do. Let the beat move, tell me what it do. Let your body move, tell me what it do. Throw your hands up and tell me what it do. Oh, ain't no turning back now. Got my whole body sweating. I can do this.